Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the world of video calling, one of the best ways to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues. Whether you're having a casual chat with loved ones or jumping into a work meeting, video calls are the way to go. But let's be honest, sometimes setting them up can be a bit tricky. Don't worry though, we've got you covered with this step-by-step guide to help you connect effortlessly with everyone you need to. So grab your device and let's get started. Section 1. Choosing your platform. The first step to making a video call is choosing the right platform. There are so many options out there, so let's talk about some of the most popular ones and what makes them great. If you're looking for a platform that's perfect for meetings, presentations, or group calls, Zoom is probably your best bet. It's super easy to use, and it comes with some awesome features like screen sharing, virtual backgrounds, and even breakout rooms if you're hosting larger meetings. But if you're an Apple user, FaceTime is your go-to for quick, smooth, one-on-one calls. It's seamless, integrates with iPhones, iPads, and Macs, and works perfectly for keeping in touch with close family and friends. Google Meet is another great option for both work and personal calls. It's free, simple, and if you have a Google account, it's already ready to go. Plus, it's got solid video quality, making it a perfect choice for professional calls too. WhatsApp is another platform that's excellent for quick chats and casual calls. It's super popular for sending messages, but it also has a simple video calling feature, which is perfect when you just want to talk for a few minutes. So, pick your platform based on your needs. Whether it's Zoom for work or FaceTime for chatting with loved ones, there's something for everyone. Section 2. Getting your device ready. Next, let's make sure your device is all set up for the call. This could be a smartphone, tablet, or computer. But no matter what device you're using, check that your camera and microphone are working. Most modern devices already come with these built in, but if you're on a desktop computer, you'll need an external webcam and microphone. Before your call, open the video calling app and make sure everything's in order. Test your camera to ensure it's clear and positioned properly, ideally at eye level. No one wants to look down or up at the camera, so make sure it's straight on. You also want to check your microphone settings so you sound clear and crisp during the call. Section 3. Starting the call. Once you're ready, it's time to jump into the call. The process is simple once you're familiar with the app. For Zoom, you'll just need to open the app, log in, or join as a guest, and hit New Meeting to create a link for your call. You can send that link to anyone you want to join. For FaceTime, just open the app, tap the plus sign, and type in the name, phone number, or email of the person you want to call. Tap the video camera icon and you're good to go. If you're on WhatsApp, open the app, go to the Chats tab, pick the person you want to call, and hit the video call button at the top. Google Meet is also simple. Log into your Google account, click New Meeting, and either share the meeting link or invite participants directly. Section 4. Making your call awesome. Okay, now we're on the call, but there are a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly and looks good. The number one thing to remember is lighting. Proper lighting can make a huge difference. Try to sit in a well-lit space or near a window, but make sure the light is in front of you, not behind you. Otherwise, you'll end up looking like a silhouette. If you need extra lighting, a ring light is a great tool for video calls, giving you that perfect glow. Next up, sound. To avoid background noise, mute your microphone when you're not talking. If you're in a noisy space, consider using headphones or a microphone to improve sound quality. This helps cut down on any echo and ensures your voice comes through loud and clear. Another important factor is your internet connection. A strong, stable connection is key to having smooth video calls. If you're on Wi-Fi, try to be close to your router, or even better, use an Ethernet cable for the best connection. If the call starts to lag or freeze, you can try lowering the video quality in your app settings to improve performance. Section 5. Enhancing your experience with features. Now, let's talk about some fun features that can enhance your video calls. One great feature on Zoom is screen sharing. This is perfect for meetings or showing off documents or photos to others. You can share your entire screen or just one app window, depending on what you need. Another cool Zoom feature is virtual backgrounds. If you're in a messy room or want to add some fun to your call, you can set a background like a beach or outer space. This feature is also available on other platforms like Google Meet. Don't forget about filters and fun effects on platforms like FaceTime or WhatsApp. You can change the way you look with some playful effects, or even apply fun stickers to spice up your conversation. Section 6. Troubleshooting tips. Sometimes things don't go as smoothly as planned, and that's okay. If you're having issues with audio or video quality, first check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or switching to a different network. You can also restart the app or device to refresh your connection. If there's feedback or echo, it's usually because multiple people have their microphones on at the same time. Make sure everyone mutes themselves when not speaking, and encourage people to use headphones to reduce sound interference. Section 7. Ending the call. As your video call wraps up, you'll want to end it smoothly. Most platforms have a simple end call button, and if you're in a group call, there's usually an option to leave without disconnecting the others. It's always nice to end with a quick thank you and a goodbye. If you're using a platform like Zoom or Google Meet, you can even schedule future calls, making it easier to stay connected with everyone regularly. Final section. Preparing your environment. Before we dive into the technical setup, let's talk about your environment. Where you set up your video call can make a big difference. Find a quiet, well-lit spot where you won't be interrupted. Background noise can be distracting, so try to eliminate any potential sounds, like TV or loud conversations in the next room. If you're expecting background noise, consider using a noise-canceling microphone or headphones. Your backdrop matters too. While you don't need a fancy setup, a clean and uncluttered background looks more professional and keeps the focus on you. If you're not happy with your space, you can always use a virtual background or blur your background on platforms like Zoom and Google Meet. Comfort is key, so pick a chair and desk height that allow you to sit comfortably for the duration of the call. A well-prepared environment will make your video call experience smoother and more enjoyable. And that's it. You're now ready to make your next video call a breeze. Whether you're catching up with friends or hosting a virtual meeting, these tips and tricks will help you connect effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on all things tech. See you next time, and happy calling!